Hello sunshines, welcome back to another cleaning video. Just in case you missed my previous cleaning video, which I did a few months ago while I was pregnant, and I showed you guys how I clean my entire home. If you missed that, you can click somewhere over here and you'll see that video pop up. But you don't have to exit this video right now. You can just watch this one and the link will also be down below to the previous one. And today I'm just going to show you an updated version from that one where I'm focusing on cleaning my room in just a simple way, how I maintain my room, and laundry and cloth diapering and the baby's laundry most importantly. And before we get into all of that, I want to remind you guys, just like in my previous cleaning video, I partnered up with grove.co again to give you this great free offer when you sign up and spend just $20 or more on your first order, only with my own special link that'll be down below in the description box. Once you click that link, you can sign up and you'll be entered into receiving the special offer, which again includes the Grove Collaborative 3 concentrates pack, which is 3 packs of concentrates, and 2 of these microfiber towels, which are awesome for all types of cleaning and dusting, and I love them. And yes, these bottles are reusable, so all you have to do is put the concentrates inside and add some water and you got yourself an all-purpose cleaner, a tub and towel cleaner, and a glass cleaner. And don't worry, you also get this Caddy, which makes it super easy to walk around the house and clean. Lastly, you'll be getting a free VIP trial and free shipping. So you can't miss out. Just go down below into the description box, click the link and sign up and you'll enter into the free trial. Today we're starting off with my maintenance routine because I do have a baby now, so this is just a way that I maintain our room together because I am co-sleeping with the baby in the room. If you haven't seen my bedroom tour / nursery tour, click somewhere over here. The video will be right there or in the description box below. I love cleaning on rainy days like this, so I got lucky that I got to film this video on a rainy day just for you guys. And to kick off the cleaning in my bedroom, the first thing I have to do is make the bed, of course, because the bed is like the center of the room, and if the bed isn't done, the room doesn't look well put together. And to set my cleaning mood to continue on, I like to turn on my essential oil diffuser. I like to use different scents in my room, but today I'm feeling in the mood for orange and lavender, and I'm using the Grove Collaborative essential oils. I love their essential oil brand and they have a really great selection. So I'm using a few drops of the orange and then a few drops of the lavender, and together it really sets a nice soothing scent around the room that really kicks off my cleaning. I also like to make my own DIY lavender room spray, which is super simple just by adding some water and a few drops of lavender, as much as you like, to the intensity that you want. And I can spray this anywhere in my house, in the air, on my sheets, on my clothes, anywhere I like. And like I said at the beginning of the video, I love cleaning with these 3-pack concentrates that I add in my reusable bottles to clean my entire home. But to clean the bedroom, which is where the baby sleeps, I like to keep it more simple, so I'm using my own DIY all-purpose cleaner basically, which just includes water, vinegar, and a little bit of tea tree oil. But I'm going to add a little bit of the Dr. Bronners Unscented baby soap in here just to add a little bit of soap to my cleaning. And I'm going to use this on my microfiber towel to clean my nightstand tables or any type of surface in the room that needs cleaning. And I could practically clean anything with this. Next up, it's time to sweep, and I can't feel like the room is clean unless I sweep it, of course. So I'm sweeping it up and then putting things away where they belong. Everything has its place. This is my cloth diaper dispenser. I'm putting a new bag in while the dirty diapers are washing currently in the washing machine, but I'll show you guys that later. I don't mop the floor every single time I sweep it, but when I do want to clean the floors here, I use this. I like using this all over the house, but if you saw my previous cleaning video, in the downstairs of my home, which gets a little more dirty, I like using vinegar and soap and things like that too. And now it's time for baby laundry. I do her regular clothing laundry about twice a week, sometimes once a week. And her cloth diapers, I wash them every 3 days, max. I'm doing laundry with Miss Alma because she's a little cranky today, so we're doing laundry together. When you're using natural detergents, it's really important to treat stains prior to washing with a good amount of time. So I use this Puracy natural stain remover, and ideally it's best to just soak it for a little while before you wash it. But I also like to add this Nellies baby powder. Not baby powder, it's more like a laundry soda with oxygen booster, so it's really helpful for things like this. So I like to mix it within her stained clothing or just put it in her regular laundry mix inside the machine. I don't know how to explain this, but yeah, you know what I mean. And I do have certain items for her and blankets that I don't like washing in the machine, so I wash those by hand. But for the most part, these are the items that I use for her, which is the Nellies All Natural Baby Laundry Oxygen Booster Soda, the Puracy Stain Remover, and the Puracy Laundry Detergent, which is my favorite. And I also use the Dr. Bronners soap once in a while, and of course, Eco Nuts. Eco Nuts is awesome for those of you who want something that's fragrance-free and super natural and gentle. And I use Eco Nuts on my clothing too. It's just gentle enough to use on babies as well. But like I said, my favorite for her is the Puracy Natural Laundry Detergent, and that's what I used today on her clothing. I like using these wool balls and adding a few drops of lavender essential oil on there, and then putting it inside my dryer with the wet clothing, and it gives a gentle fragrance of lavender. Oh, and this is a great brand that I specifically like using on Manny's clothes. So this is great for anyone who works out often. And I do wash all of our clothing separately. And for our white clothing, I like using this mixed with our regular detergent. And this is basically what I use. And finally, for cloth diapers, I ran out of what I usually like to use in the first cycle, which is this detergent by Bum Genius, which is made for cloth diapers, and it also has great ingredients. And I also use the Bum Genius stain and odor remover prior to putting the dirty diapers inside my dispenser. And since I ran out of that, today I'm just using the Dr. Bronner's baby soap, which can be used for so many cleaning purposes involving baby and household. And it's important that it's fragrance free. And I'm also adding in this oxygen booster again. And Alma isn't eating solid foods yet, so I might do an actual cloth diapering video later on when she is, to give you guys the real rundown. But for now, here's the steps that I basically take to clean her diapers. And notice I wrote water sprayer there, which I'm not yet using, but this is something that I plan on using when she is having solid poop. Nice talk about poop, huh? And I don't like to use the drying machine on her diapers too often unless it's an emergency or I really need to. I make sure that I'm cleaning her diapers with enough time for them to dry and for me to be able to use the next day when she wakes up. So I use this huge drying rack that I like using for all types of clothing that I don't want to put in the machine. And there you go. That's how I wash and dry my cloth diapers for Alma. But I also want to share with you guys a new find. I just found these diapers called Poof on the Grove website, and they're chemical free and biodegradable, and they're actually really soft, so far I'm impressed with them. And I also decided to try this Ode to Clean brand for wipes. I haven't tried them yet, but we'll see how it goes. And I got a big pack of the water wipes, which I've been using since Alma was born. And Grove also has bath products, so I got these 3 items to try out as well. And this is from a brand I already love, which you guys saw in my previous videos, which is all about the products I like using on Alma. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching how I maintain my bedroom and nursery clean and do our laundry. And I will see you guys next time. Bye, sunshines.